everyone, Assalamualaikum. I'm Anisha Rahman Afrin. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I show you how to make chicken vegetable rice. I hope you enjoy this recipe. First of all, we need 1 cup of carrot, 1 cup of green bean, 1 cup of cauliflower, 1 cup of pea, 2 piece chicken breast, 7 piece chili pepper, 1 piece lemon, 500 gram pulao, 2 egg. Preheat your pan medium high. Make sure it's dry but don't overheat. 2 tablespoon oil. Now oil is warm. Make sure don't over high heat. Cauliflower saute or fry 1 minute. Add half teaspoon salt and green bean. Both vegetables are cooked 45%. Add more vegetable, carrot and pea. Pea is already boiled, that's why I last added. You can add other vegetable would you like. All vegetables are cooked 75%. Keep one pan medium high heat. 2 tablespoon oil. Oil is warm up. Add 1 piece cinnamon, 2 piece cardamom, 3 piece clove, 1 piece big size star anise, 2 piece bay leaf. Their flavor come out. Add 2 spoon onion. Onion look like golden. 1 egg mixed well. Half teaspoon salt. Add another egg. Mix all. Now egg is cooked. 1 teaspoon garlic and ginger paste. Roasted few seconds. All ingredients twisted and chicken twisted little bit. Pulao roasted 2 minutes. 2 cup of water added. All vegetable. 1 teaspoon salt and mix it well. Chili pepper 7 piece. Bring all of this to a nice rigorous boil. Now the water has come to a boil. Turn down the heat of stuff to the lowest point and cover it and cook it for 10 minutes. The rice look very beautiful cooked. Now give it a very light twist because the rice is very soft at this point and you do not want to break it. Let it sit for a 5 minutes or 2 to get rid of that extra moisture. Now cover the lid and sit aside. Vegetable chicken rice is ready. I hope you love this recipe, you enjoy this recipe. If you like this video, big thumbs up down below, show your love and support. Also click the bigger subscribe button, come join us, our family. Finally click the bell icon, you can notify I upload brand new video. You can also join my other social media. If you have any video idea, please let me know, comment down below. I will do my best make it happen. You can see my other video. Thanks for watching.